46, a multi-step problem. Before 1979, there was no three-point shot in professional basketball. Players could score only 2-point field goals and 1-point free throws. In a game before 1979, a team scored a total of 128 points. This situation is given by the equation 2x plus y equals 128. So 2 points times the field goals plus 1 point times each free throw equals 128 total points. Find the intercepts of the graph. Okay, x and y. Well, if I make x 0, I get my y-intercept is 128. If I want to find the x-intercept, I make y 0. 128 divided by 2 is 64. Now if I graph that equation, since I'm dealing with field goals and free throws, I can't have negatives, so I can focus on the first quadrant. X is my field goals. Y is my free throws. And my x-intercept going up to 64, I'm not going to go by ones. Maybe to keep things simple, I'm going to go by, I'll go by fours. 4, 8, there'd be 16, 24, 32, 40. Even though I'm going, labeling every 8, my graph is going by fours. 44, there's 48, 52, 56. This would be 60, this would be 64. Okay, so there's my x-intercept. My y-intercept is 128. Holy smokes. Maybe I better go by tens just to get there. 10, there's 20. Hopefully I can fit 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. There's 100. Oop, let's just do this. 110, there's 120. Okay, so 128 is going to be right about there. Graph it. Again, I'm not going to go into the negatives, so I'm not going to have arrows on both sides because it can only be positive. So there would be my graph. We've done part A. Part B, what do the intercepts mean in this situation? Let's focus on the y-intercept first. The y-intercept simply means that we scored all 128 points on free throws. It's kind of like the extreme. I scored no field goals and I scored all my points on free throws. The x-intercept, on the other hand, if you look at that point right there, I scored all my points on field goals and absolutely nothing on free throws. So we could say all 128 points were scored on field goals. We didn't hit any free throws. Part C, what are 3 possible numbers of field goals and free throws the team could have scored? Well, we already listed a couple. No field goals, 128 free throws, 64 field goals and no free throws. And then let's just try to pick out one other nice combination. Now my graph might not be perfect, but we can estimate it at least. We could say about, it looks like 28 field goals and 70 free throws. I think that'd be fairly close. Might be a little off, but you know, we get the idea. Every point on this black line is a solution to the equation. So we could pick something else like, well, this point here is pretty close. What is it? 44 field goals and 40 free throws. Actually, I think that one would work because 44 times 2 is 88, and 88 plus 40 gives you the 128. If the team made 24 free throws, how many field goals were made? Let's go to our free throws. If they made 24, here's 20, 30, 24 be right about here. Let's work our way over to the graph and find out how many field goals does that mean they had to have made. And it looks like it's about right here. So it looks like about 52 field goals, which that was the answer, so we did okay.